Right, this is Hilton from Triple H Distilled, and this is a video for Joe and Colin. This is the timing device that is in your control box. Before I continue and explain how this works, I need to explain how to use it safely. So you have a power control box, and this timer is inside your power control box. When you're setting your timer, you need to switch the power off at the socket. That will ensure that there's no power in the control box. Additionally, you must remove the plug from the socket. Then open the box up and do your programming as you will learn how to do in the rest of the video. Please take note of this. Safety is paramount. This is a three-phase box with a lot of power going into it, and it is really best to follow this procedure. Now, the first thing on the instructions, they mention C. C is that button over there. It says C/on. That is how you reset it. So if we press that button and reset it, there. Now, to enter the date, we just use these buttons. There's D+, H+, M+, date plus, hour plus, M+. So it goes the date. This works on a 7-day week, so that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We are Wednesday today. And the time is, well, I don't know exactly what the time is, but I think it's, let's call it, let's say it's 4:30. There we go, it's 4:30. Now, if you want to program this to start at a particular time, let's say you want it to start on Monday. Okay, that P over there is program. So we go program. This is program number 1. In program number 1, you want to start on a particular day. Now, it's got different combinations of dates. So that is, first combination is 7 days of the week, and then missing out Sunday, missing out Saturday. But let's just go and put it on to keep clicking until we get Monday. Okay, Monday. Now, we want to start at a particular time. So let's say we want to start at, get this thing cranking up at 3 a.m. in the morning. Now we're going to go off, and off on the same date. We want to go off on Monday, and the time we wanted to go off at, let's say we're expecting to be in the distillery at 7 o'clock, and if we're not in at 7 o'clock, we want this thing just to turn off by itself. So we'll give ourselves 15 minutes to be late. So we'll say 7:15. If we don't rock up at the distillery, this will turn off at 7:15, and that is now set. So that little picture there is the clock, so we put it back on the clock. This clock will run continuously. It loses about, I don't know, 1 second a week or something. It's on the instructions. Now, there's a little pointer over there. It's not lined up exactly, but that's pointing at auto. So this will happen automatically. If you want to manually turn it off, here it says manual, that's on. If you want to turn it on manually, it's on. Auto, and then off. So we'll leave it off at all times, except when you want it to be used. If you don't want to use a timer, you just want to start it up, just put it onto on, and it'll be ready. Now, as it stands now, this timer is the clock is working, the programming is working, but in order for it to actually switch on and off, for the relays inside to operate, it needs the power supply. Okay, so in your box it's got the power supply. So I can't show you this light switching on to show that when it's on, it's on. But when it's got the power in there, that will all happen. Now, you have just noticed that little symbol has appeared. What that symbol means is that this timer is locked. So if you press any buttons, nothing's going to happen. How do we get it back into program mode? Well, we hold this button down, the CR button, for 4 seconds. There. Now we can program. And there you see. Now we can actually take it, lock it again by holding the button for 4 seconds. And that is pretty much how this little timer works. I wish you luck.